Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23R swingback with a cladded arch. This boat's powered with a Mercury 300. Of course, full tri-tune ESP package. Did the Rasa red exterior blackout package with a lower matte black accent. I'll take a little look here, get a little close so you can see it. Absolute beautiful boat. It's got the killer colors. They go real well together. The inside we did graphite with the Rasa red accent. It's really pretty as well, and I'll climb aboard and show you here in just a few. Just walk around. It's got the cladded arch. It's got the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade. Of course, the blackout package is anodized black. Rub rail, the skirt. Absolute beautiful boat. This one here is in stock, available. Putting it in on our showroom today. We can climb aboard and we'll take a look at it. It's got the deluxe swing back. As you see, it's just one big lounge right now. This one does have the RGB lit rear end right here. Got Rockford Fosgate speakers, so it sounds really good if you're just out lounging in the water. And of course, Mercury 300. Climb up, take a look. This is just one of the many ways that this back swing back can go. These two seats right here will pop up so you can sit forward facing inside. The backrest for this here for the swing back is straight away right here, and pull it out real quick. Sorry about that. Take a look there. So this is the way it sits also, so you can sit forward facing inside. Got a nice co-captain's lounge right there. This particular interior is the sport upholstery, so it's a diamond stitch sport upholstery. Removable table, you can stow that away. Fold down armrest. Up here on the starboard lounge, fold down armrest. Another Rockford Fosgate speakers. These two portable cup holders you can move around to where your guests are sitting. Port lounge, same thing. Tons of room. Absolute beautiful boat. These colors go really well together. Moving on to the helm, we got the glass windshield storage up under the helm. This one we did the 9-inch Simrad on. Rockford PMX2 upgrade. RGB controls, of course, your Mercury DTS steering, and throttle binnacle. Nice sea deck in the bottom for the Bennington helm pad. This tower is a power tower, so you can just lower, raise it and lower it. Better focus on it for me. Again, absolute beautiful boat. Got it here in stock at MarineMax. If you will, come by and see us, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.